How to automate work using ChatGPT? Well, that question is actually too broad. You don't just automate work, you automate specific tasks. If you tell ChatGPT, automate my business, that's too vague. But if you say, write a follow up email template for customers who didn't reply after 3 days, now that's specific. And that's something you can reuse again and again. For example, instead of saying, help me with content, say, create a 7-day Instagram content plan for a streetwear brand targeting 18 to 30 years old. Instead of help with school, say, summarize chapter 3 of my marketing notes into bullet points I can review in 5 minutes. Another example, turn this meeting transcript into clear action steps. That's automation. You're turning raw input into structured output instantly. As you can see, even in my chat history, we've talked about branding, scripts, strategies. You can literally ask anything. But here's the key, ChatGPT only responds to how you ask. The real skill isn't AI, it's writing better prompts. Be specific, give consent, tell it the format you want. That's how you automate work using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.